it again? What's wrong? Why did they press it again? Hey, let's hurry. Let's get under it. Please. What? I just filmed it.
This is a test of the Madison County Alert and Notification System. This is only a test. In the event of an actual emergency, you can tune to local radio stations for additional information and instructions.
Once again, this was only a test. Let's stay here in case it does it a third time. Woo! Ah! That was 2 tests. Wow. I think they did that just for me, don't you? How possible? None of the others said it, did they?
I don't know, I couldn't hear.
That was just this one, wasn't it? That was only this one. Did they press it just for me?
I don't think they press it. I think it's the emergency management place in Richmond.
Then why would they press it twice in a row?
I don't know what happened. Are you paused?
No. Wait. I wonder if someone hacked into the system to make it do it again. Wow. And it's 12:31. Think it'll do it again? That was funny. 2 tests, wasn't it? Yeah, that actually probably damages the driver's some, don't it? Yeah. Oh, remember how I was walking near them power lines going between it and the pole? Guess how much them things have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 400 times 3. That is 1200 volts, isn't it? That power line has 1200 volts of electricity going through it. That was weird, wasn't it? We missed the music both times.
Oh, it is 2 or 3. Well, we got like 2 or 3 on the first time. I don't think we got any on the second one, did we?
I don't know. Let's find out. Why did it go off again? Usually, whenever they do that, they press it to see if it's working. Then they'll do an all tones on it. Usually, they may or may not sound it on high-low next. Do you think they might? Usually they're doing all tones then. Cool.